Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
So real quick, don't mind my mess, mind your business. This right here, just ran it, freezing temperatures outside too, or right around. But this is that tire that I had blown out because I didn't glue properly. But you can see the line there. Yeah, that held up pretty well. Let's see here. Push, yeah. I'm gonna check all of them later on and see what the glue status is like. But other than this one being stripped, they all did pretty dang well. So the Vipers is where it's at. These are the tires, y'all. If you run in an infraction, limitless, felony, and you hooning in the parking lot and you're tired of wasting your money on the hoons, I mean, they're fun for about 12 minutes. That's it. Get you some Vipers. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and test out this rigged up setup I got here for my GoPro light. But first, plug this in. We're gonna go 8S. Testing out these Vipers again for the second run. Y'all know I messed up this first one on the gluing job. Anyway, y'all ain't here to hear me yap. Let's turn that on. Transmitter's already on. No GNSS tracker today. Speeds don't really matter. It's cold, like right at 30, 32, something like that. Make sure that's recording so I don't mess that up later on. I got lights, bam, bam. This is gonna be a short one. Got gyro on, not much. There we go. Turn it up a little bit. I hope that was in frame on the forehead camera. Take a quick peek at the one. Y'all, this light here, so far, everything feels fine. It didn't work on reverse very well. They didn't like that. This ain't Fast and Furious. Ooh, what was that? All right, we're gonna take a quick peek at everything real fast. Since we hit a couple things, it sounded chunky. Damn it. Unlock. Been holding that button down this whole time. All right, we're gonna take a quick peek. Oh. All right, go ahead and unplug that. This is the one in question. Yo, you can't even tell. It was this one, wasn't it? I know it was one of the front ones. Yeah, it was this one. Yeah, so you can't even tell now. There it is, right there. That's where I tore it up. But right now, it looks like it's holding up pretty dang well. Yeah. Yep. Turn this around, look at the other side. Oh, with that hex, that's what it is, see? I might go ahead and, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go home, but I might go ahead and do the M2C, what is it there? Universal hub adapters. Y'all know I got other wheels coming, but y'all, I'm happy with these Vipers. Let me get a picture real quick for the thumbnail, but I'll see y'all later. Okay, bye.